In a world of green, just like a dream, you and I standing wild and free, with petals so golden, the sun's warm kiss, a love so strong, a bliss. Whispers of the breeze, secrets unfold. It's you that I need, it's you that I want. When the world gets cold, it's you and me. When the sun comes back, you'll see.
Namaste and welcome to a new video. It's the weekend and I'm heading out with few friends here in Gurgaon to a place I have never visited before. It's Sunder Nursery. We actually reached a little late and it was dark but still so beautiful. There was also a live piano show that was going on, but of course the music was amazing, but the backdrop just made it all so amazing and so beautiful. I was absolutely in awe. I was genuinely surprised by how beautiful this place was, so peaceful, so thoughtfully preserved. It made me wonder how many hidden gems like this is tucked away across our country. India has so much heritage, so much timeless beauty, and yet we are not always told our stories well to the world. I hope one day, just one day, we will stop seeing names scribbled on these monuments and these beautiful places and start seeing them the way they are preserved to be seen, with pride, glory, and care. After a long but a very lovely walk, we stopped at Carnatic Café. So many types of dosas, people like rich milkshakes and ice cream. It was such a treat. It's just another morning here, and personally, I like slow mornings. No matter how busy the day may be, this quiet time is something I treasure. Just warm water, birds chirping, and little coffee peace. That's all I need to start for a good day. Anshuman is visiting for a week, and I wanted to finish most of my work before he arrives. Laundry is one such monster that needs to be tackled first. Since it's just me in this small space, it's honestly not too hard to manage without help. With few appliances, things just becomes a little easier.
Tick tock, the clock keeps ticking. I don't know what I should do, and I wish you would be right here with me. My mind is filled with pictures of when we used to dance, but now I don't know where you are. I miss you so bad, won't you come back to me? I've got you in my head, you're all that I see. I've lost all my chances, I know that I am too late. I'm thinking of you, I'm thinking of you, I'm thinking of you, wondering if you're thinking about me too.
Today's lunch is simple as requested by Anshuman. Simple homemade chole. I soak the chole in the morning itself with hot water, and it takes almost an hour for chole to completely soak, and rest of the work the pressure cooker does it. I'm just adding some salt and pepper and turmeric and cook this till there is at least 3 to 4 whistles. I used mustard oil, whole spices, cinnamon, cardamom, cloves, bay leaves, and sauteed onions, then added some spices like jeera powder, black pepper powder, dhania powder, and kept the tomatoes chunky for more texture. Let it simmer and then add the boiled chole and give it a one whistle for all the spices to cook properly. Well, do let me know in comments what kind of content you would like to see while I'm here in Gurgaon. Do you enjoy actually these local explorations and these simple homemaking moments in this tiny kitchen? I was thinking of organizing this tiny kitchen for the next video. Let me know if you're interested.
Well, I scratched in the dirt for a while. I gained all that I knew for a price. In the end, what I town was nowhere near as nice. No matter the rain, no matter the storm, I'm coming home. I'm coming home. Leave open the gate, don't turn off the light, I'm coming home.
I'm also making quick aloo masala in mustard oil, cumin seeds, garlic, some boiled baby potatoes, onion, turmeric, and a pinch of Kitchen King masala. That's all it takes to make this recipe. It's simple but so hearty. Last week I was in Mumbai and I picked up few of the things that I thought would look nice in this house, including few faux flowers and greenery. When I was in Mumbai, I decided not to pick up the camera or record anything. Just be present with Ishi, Anshuman, take care of the house and everything else. I think a splash of bougainvillea always brings the summers indoor, like fresh, light, and absolutely effortless. And if you are also using some faux greenery or faux flowers like these, then try to twist and turn these, and you will get a very beautiful, natural kind of a flow. I'm using these beautiful clay pots that I got from Carnatic Café after we finished eating all the ice creams and milkshake. I washed it thoroughly and now I'm arranging a couple of faux flowers in this. Now they are making that perfect little vases for easy and effortless decor. What do you think of this idea?
Stop giving back. Honeysuckle, fresh cut grass. I could really use some stuff like that.
If you've been following us on this channel, you might be able to recognize couple of things that I got from our Mumbai home. Well, just arranging couple of more flowers in these vases, also using glassware, whatever I have, little things here, bits and bobs, trying to make this place home and a little bit cozy. If you're enjoying this content, I have many such videos on this channel. Simple, cozy homemaking. And since you have made this far, then please consider subscribing to the channel if you haven't already. And if you have already subscribed, then do leave me a comment. What did you like most in this video? And what else you want to see from this house? I am eagerly looking forward to seeing your comments. I hope you enjoyed this simple, quiet joy and a cozy weekend. And I hope you enjoyed this little slice of my day, my week, and in my life video. Like I said, do leave me comments what else you want to see from this part of my life, staying away from family. Also, don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends and family, and subscribe to Simply Kaushiki. See you all in next video. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.
Leave open the gate, don't turn off the light, I'm coming home. Well, I scratched in the dirt for a while. I gained all that I knew for a price. I found was nowhere near as nice. No matter the rain, no matter the storm, I'm coming